Good morning, students. Have a nice day. Today we will solve two worksheets from Science and Technology Part 1, that is Chapter 1 and Chapter 3. Let's begin with Chapter 1, Gravitation. First question is, select the correct option and write only the alphabet corresponding to the correct answer. First sub question: the gravitational force between two particles separated by a distance r varies as dash, and the options are A 1 upon r, B r, C r square, and D 1 upon r square. Correct answer is option D, that is 1 upon r square. Second question: in the usual notation, the acceleration due to gravity at a height h from the surface of the earth is dash, and the options are A g equal to gm upon r plus h, B g equal to gm upon under root r plus h, C g equal to gm upon r plus h square, and g is equal to gm into r plus h square. And correct answer is option C, that is g equal to gm upon r plus h whole square. Question number 3. If the weight of a body on the earth's surface is 60 Newton, its weight on the moon's surface will be about dash, and the options are A 360 Newton, B 36 Newton, C 6 Newton, and D 10 Newton. Students, we know that the weight of the body on moon's surface is 1/6 to that of the earth's surface. Therefore, correct answer for this question is option D, that is 10 Newton. Question 4. The weight of the body on the earth's surface is equal to dash, and the options are A g mm upon r, B g mm upon r square, C g mm r square, and D gm upon r square. And correct answer option is B, that is gmm upon r square. Question 5. What will be the weight of a person on the earth who weighs 9 Newton on the moon? And the options are A 3 Newton, B 15 Newton, C 45 Newton, and D 54 Newton. Correct answer is option D, that is 54 Newton. Question number 2. State whether the following statements are true or false. First sub question: at the center of the earth, the value of the acceleration due to gravity becomes 0. This statement is true statement. 2. The weight of your body is minimum at the poles. This is false statement because the weight of a body is maximum at the poles. 3. G has maximum value at the equator. This statement is false because G has minimum value at the equator. 4. The escape velocity of your body does not depend on the mass of the body. This is a true statement. 5. The mass of a body is the amount of matter present in it. This is a true statement. Question number 3. Name the following. Name the force that keeps the satellite in the orbit around the earth. And the answer is the gravitational force. Students, Now we will solve worksheet of chapter 3, that is chemical reactions and equation. Question 1. Select the correct option and write the alphabet corresponding to the correct answer. First question. The reaction of iron nail with copper sulfate solution is dash reaction. Options are A. Double displacement, B. Displacement, C. Combination, and D. Decomposition. Correct answer is option B. Displacement. 2. Reddish brown deposit formed on iron nails kept in solution of copper sulfate is dash, and the options are A. Cu2O, B. Cu, C. CuO, and D. Cus, and correct answer is option B. Cu. Question number 3. The reaction CuSO4 plus Zn gives ZnSO4 plus Cu is a dash reaction, and the options are A. Displacement, B. Double displacement, C. Decomposition, and D. Combination. Correct answer is option A. Displacement. Question 4. In a chemical equation, the dash are written on the left hand side, and the options are A. Products, B. Reactants, C. Catalyst, D. Element. Correct answer for this question is option B, that is reactants. Question 5. The triangle sign written above the arrow indicates dash of the reaction, and the options are A. Reactants, B. Product, C. Heat, and D. Direction of the reaction. Answer option C. Heat. The reaction KNO3 solid plus H2O liquid plus heat gives KNO3 aqueous is a or an dash. Options are A. Exothermic, B. Endothermic, C. Oxidation, D. Reduction. And correct answer is option B. Endothermic. Question 7. The reaction NaOH solid plus H2O liquid gives NaOH aqueous is A. Oblique and dash reaction, and options are A. Exothermic, B. Endothermic, C. Oxidation, D. Reduction, and the correct answer is option A. Exothermic. Question number 2. Match the columns. Column 1 A. Reduction, 2. Oxidation. Column 2 A. Type of chemical reaction, B. Combination with hydrogen, C. Losing hydrogen, and D. Exchange of ions. Answers: 1. Reduction, combination with hydrogen. 2. Oxidation, losing hydrogen. Question number 3. State whether the following statements are true or false. First statement: rusting of iron is a fast reaction. This statement is false because rusting of iron is a very slow reaction. 2. Milk is set into curd is a chemical reaction. This is true statement. 3. When oils and fats are allowed to stand for a long time, they become rancid. This statement is true statement. This is because oil and fats undergoes slow oxidation and it becomes rancid. 4. The chemical formula of rust is Fe3O4xH2O. This statement is false statement. Number 5. Chemical reactions in which reactants gain oxygen are called reduction. This is false statement. This type of reactions are called as oxidation reaction in which oxygen is gained. Thank you students. See you soon.